second grade. So I want to review our second page of math from yesterday. So I'm going to read the first problem from the second page in yesterday's work. It says, Melissa has 56 pens and 37 more pencils than pens. So the first thing you should be asking yourself, what does she have more of? Does she have more pencils or pens? So let's read it again and answer that question. Melissa had 56 pens and 37 more pencils. So she has more pencils. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. And I'm talking about two different items, and I don't know the amount of one of them, but I do know one of them is more than the other. So one of these is going to represent pens, one of these is going to represent pencils. Which one do you think is going to represent pens? "56 pens. There's less pens, so the one that is a smaller tape diagram is going to be the pens. And then we know that there are 37 more pencils. So I know from here, I'm going to draw a dotted line. So I know from here to here is 56 because these tape diagrams end here. This tape diagram ends here, so right here would also be 56. And then I know that there are 37 more pencils. So this is the only part I need to figure out. And we should be able to look at this tape diagram and know the value of this section from here to here. What do you think it is? We think this is 0. This is 56. This is also 0, so this would also be 56 plus 37 more pencils. Alright, so now I'm going to look at the first question. It says, how many pencils did Melissa have? So I know that she has those original 56, and then but she had 37 more. So that's going to be addition. 56 plus 37. I'm using the vertical method, and I know that 6 plus 7 is 13. I'm going to carry my 1, drop my 3. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. So 93 what? Is it 93 kittens? Are kittens in this problem at all? No. So it's 93 pencils. Alright, but we need to remember there was another part to this problem. The second part says, how many pens and pencils did Melissa have? So she had 56 pens, and how many pencils? 93. So now we want to add those 56 pens plus the 93 pencils. So 56 pens plus 93 pencils. And that's going to be 6 plus 3 equals 9. I don't need to carry anything because it's not above 9. And I have 5 plus 9 is 14. So she has 149 pens and pencils.